He is formerly a business owner of multiple businesses and ultimately sold those businesses to his employees. He's very, very knowledgeable about what the private sector needs are, especially in community development and permitting. He has worked very hard in permitting around septic issues, et cetera, where public health meets the permitting process and coordinating with your building permitting processes. He had that type of background, as well as he was a staff sergeant in the U.S. Army in the Reserves, I believe, for many, many years. I think that he brings to this position a tremendous amount of diverse experience. One of the things I'm very, very pleased about regarding his public health experiences is if you follow what's happening in Washington State in public health and in health in general, we are asked to regionalize the state and have each region be an accountable community of health, something that's very complicated, very difficult to be getting off the ground. It's been doing that in this tri-county area, and in fact understood that it needs to be even more local than that, and created an accountable community of health for each of the three counties he works in. He brings with him a strong public health background, as well as understanding the community development and building and planning needs, and has done a lot of the planning in, worked with his three counties in planning. So I think he brings the diversity we're looking for, as well as the leadership qualities. We were very impressed with his leadership qualities, and we would hope that Mr. Windham will accept terms of employment, and really are excited about getting moving on this.